Hello children, how are you all? I am your teacher Mrs. Rosemary Rajdudhat, and today we are going to study from EVS Part 2 textbook lesson number 1, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. Now see children, everybody knows about this great person Shivaji Maharaj. Everyone is familiar. He was a great leader. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with great pomp and reverence. We sing songs and povadas in his honor. We garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. And we celebrate his birth anniversary with such a great joy in our hearts. हे जे शिवाजी महाराज होते सगळ्यांना ह्यांची ओळख आहे आणि सगळे जण जे महान योद्धा होते शिवाजी महाराज त्यांना सगळे जण ओळखतात आणि हे जे महान व्यक्ती होते त्यांचा जो जयंती आहे जन्मदिवस आहे आपण किती मोठ्याने साजरा करतो आणि आपण ह्या सेलिब्रेशनच्या वेळेस ह्या कार्यक्रमच्या वेळेस आपण काय करतो पोवाडाज म्हणतो त्यांना मान सन्मान देतो त्यांच्या चित्राला आपण हार घालून त्यांच्या मूर्तीला हार घालून शिवाजी महाराज की जय असं जय जयकार करतो. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी हू वॉज दिस शिवाजी महाराज, what was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year. मग आज आपण शिवाजी महाराज कोण होते आणि त्यांचं एवढं मोठं काम काय होतं की प्रत्येक वर्षी आपण न चुकता त्यांचं जयंती एवढे मोठ्याने साजरा करतो. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस लेसन. द टाइम इन विच शिवाजी महाराज लिव्ड वॉज दॅट ऑफ मिडिवियल पीरियड. इन दोज डेज monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. See children, during his time it was a medieval time. And in those days, monarchy means the rule of kings. The kings used to rule over everywhere. Nowadays, we don't see the kings are ruling. We are not under the rule of the kings. We are living in a modern period. But during Shivaji's time, the kings used to rule. बघा मुलांनो, शिवाजी महाराजांच्या काळामध्ये मोनार्की होतं. मोनार्कीचा अर्थ आहे राजे लोकांचा सत्ता होतं त्यावेळेस आणि सगळे जे लोक होते ते राजांच्या सत्तेखाली होते. आज आपण पाहतो की आपण राजांच्या खाली सत्तेखाली नाही. त्यावेळेस शिवाजी महाराजांच्या काळात राजे लोक राज्य करत होते. And so Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government or own rule. Self-government means Shivaji Maharaj thought that people should have their own government, their own rule, not to work under monarchy, not to work under the kings, but we should have our own government and our own rule. And in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadeva of Vijayanagar in the south. These two kings were very famous in their history for their benevolent rule. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj was also great respected. Even today, we respect him even today. But these kings were famous. And you know what? The large portion of Maharashtra was under the two sultans, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among them. And you know, the suffered and were harassed. People could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. See, under these two sultans, the people were too much under bondage. They were asked to do any work. They were beaten. And they could not even get enough food to eat. They even could not celebrate the festivals in those days. बघा, हे जे दोन सुलतान होते त्यांनी महाराष्ट्राला विभागणी केली होती आणि त्यांच्या खाली जे लोक होते ते लोक खूप त्रासामध्ये होते. ते लोकांना मारहाण करणार, गुलामगिरीमध्ये लोकांना ठेवले होते. त्यांचे जे सण होते ते ओपनली म्हणजे असं उघडपणे ते साजरा करू शकत नव्हते. सगळ्याकडं अन्याय होता आणि लोक खूप त्रासलेले होते. And you know what? In Maharashtra there were also many Watandars like Deshpandes and Deshmukhs who owned their own jagirs. These Watandars, Deshpandes and Deshmukhs, they owned their own jagirdars. And these Watandars, they loved only their jagirs and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. बघा, हे जे वतनदार होते, देशपांडेस, देशमुख, हे जे वतनदार होते ते सुद्धा फक्त त्यांच्या जहागीरवरती त्यांचं प्रेम होतं, देशावर प्रेम नव्हतं. आणि ते एकामेकाशी भांडत आणि लढाई करत राहिले आणि लोकांचे खूप अन्याय ते करू लागले. And because of all this, Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Because of all this depression, the people were in misery, the people were in bondage, slavery. Shivaji Maharaj thought for his people, and he thought that he would establish Swaraj, give freedom for his people. शिवाजी महाराजांनी पाहिलं की त्यांचे लोक किती दुःखात आहेत, त्यांचे लोक गुलामगिरीमध्ये आहेत, त्रासामध्ये आहेत आणि म्हणून त्यांनी विचार केला की आपण स्वराज स्थापन करावा. Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. He established Hindavi Swaraj based on justice, fair play and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. During a period of 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were also born in Maharashtra. The work of these saints helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. लोकांचं सगळं दुःख पाहून, लोकांचं सगळं गुलामगिरीमध्ये ते आहेत हे सगळं पाहून शिवाजी महाराजांनी हिंदवी स्वराज स्थापण्याचा निर्णय घेतला. हिंदवी स्वराज्याच्यामुळे लोकांना न्याय मिळत गेला, लोकांना स्वातंत्र्य मिळालं. आणि शिवाजींच्या काळामध्ये, त्यांच्या आधीच्या काळामध्ये 3 ते 400 वर्ष आधी, शिवाजी महाराजांच्या आधीपासून अनेक संत लोक होते महाराष्ट्रामध्ये. आणि हे जे संत लोक होते त्यांच्या कामामुळं शिवाजी महाराजांना स्वराज्यासाठी मदत मिळाली. And Shivaji Maharaj was really helped by these saints. And Shivaji Maharaj took a step ahead to fight for his people and give freedom for his people. Now by this, children, you must have understood how was Maharashtra before Shivaji and how much Maharashtra the people were suffering. They were under bondage. But Shivaji Maharaj took a step, the noble task to establish Hindavi Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now these are the difficult words that you have to learn. Shivaji, Maharaj, Powadas, medieval, Mughal, government, pleasures, हिंदवी, एम्परर, महाराष्ट्र, स्वराज, कृष्णदेवराया, आदिल शाह, वतनदार्स, देशमुख्स, देशपांडेज, जागीर्स, निजाम शाह, सुल्तान्स, जस्टिस, विजयनगर, festivals, Akbar, Ahmednagar. You write down all these words, children, and you learn them. Thank you.